Kinakabahan.
Ayun nyo yan.
Akin na po, sir.
Sir? Ayun na.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Manila Hotel. I am Ioana, your personal butler for the rest of staying here in the hotel. Can you have your luggage, please? Okay, ma'am. I received your luggage in good condition. Is there any fragile inside?
None.
Let me accompany you to the reception area. This way, please.
Yun ang ba sabi ko sa inyo, ibang-ibang reality, ha?
Can I have your green card, please?
Sa policy ng hotel, kung ano din klase ng mga...
Okay, ma'am. Your room number is 202 and it's located at second floor of this building. As we go there, we will be using the elevator. This way, please.
Yes po. Pag nakabit nyo na
Approaching to your room, let me orient you of what services and facilities we have here in the hotel.
This one, I
You
prefer
have
for
your
that, ha?
buffet
Para
and
for the benefit
restaurant,
of all.
which is located at
Ang
the
tawag
left
dito,
side of this
maintenance
building.
na lang sabihin sa
You have
assessment.
your
This one is what we call bed box, bed
gymnasium
case.
beside here,
Ang tawag
and
dito,
you have
mattress,
your
wala tayong phone pagdating sa housekeeping,
gift
mattress,
and souvenir
wala na.
shop,
Then
which
we
is
have the
located
bed
on the
part.
right side wings of this
Tapos,
hotel.
linya,
And lastly,
linya,
you have your
Wait naman,
infinity pool, which is located on the rooftop of this building.
Sige po.
Okay, ma'am. We are already here at the front of your room. Can you have your green card event, please? Okay, ma'am. As we tap your card here and the light turns green, the door is unlocked.
Basiguraduhin nyo lang na...
Okay, ma'am. How do you want to put your luggage on your bed or on the rack? Okay, ma'am. As you can see, your room is fully air conditioned. You have your 24/7 Wi-Fi connection. You have also your 55-inch
Honestly, ma'am, kailangan...
smart TV, and you do also have your
Yan, pag nalagay nyo na po siya dito,
Fridge.
mini fridge, your wardrobe here, and lastly, you have your jacuzzi with hot and cold
o,
water
ang technique na lang natin
on your
ganito.
bathroom. Okay, ma'am.
Kailangan lumagpas siya na
If you have any more question, please dial 0 for the front desk, 1 for the reception area, 2 for the laundry. Once again, ma'am, I am Ioana, your personal butler for the... And thank you for entrusting Manila Hotel.
Tapos doon,